Hello, welcome to Python video tutorials. In this lesson, we are going to see variables. Variables are namespaces used to store values. That means to store values in the computer system. Or we can say variables are namespaces for memory space, the space in the RAM. RAM is a place where we used to store values temporarily. So variables are namespaces in the memory space, the space in the RAM where the value is stored in the computer system. So RAM is random access memory. When programs are executed, that means when the programs are running, values are used for calculations, which are usually stored in RAM, The specific area space in the RAM where the value is being stored is referred as with the help of a name. So the name is variable name, or the namespace. Namespace is the name of the space where we store the value. The value in the variable can be changed. That's why it is called variable. We can give some value for x. So the syntax is give equal to operator, assignment operator, x equal to 1. Now the value of x is 1. So if you type x on the prompt, we will get the value of x. As it is variable, the value of a variable can be changed at any time. So we can assign x equal to 9. Now we will get the value of x as 9. Let us try what is our value in x. So finally, variable is a variable. The value of a variable can be changed. That's why it is called variables. If you have many variables used in a program, so in this example we have used only one variable, that is x. But if you have many variables, each variable will be having separate memory locations allocated, and this allocation business and all will be done by operating system, OS. We don't have to worry about the allocation. We will not be able to do it as well. So the risk is taken care by operating systems. So if you have different variables, all the variables will be having separate memory locations to store. At the same time, all the variables will be having different names to refer as well. So previously we had the x. Now we can have some other variable. We can name it as y, and we can assign a value 90. So if you refer y, we will get the value 90, and if you refer the value x, we will get the value 9. So the value for x is 9 as we assigned previously. So each variable there will be unique name to refer or call or use them. At the same time, they will be having different locations in the memory to store them as well. So we are using the equal to operator for assigning values to the variable. So equal to is the assignment operator here. So we have something more to try. Suppose w width equal to 20 and height h equal to some other value, maybe 80. And if you want to calculate the area, then we can use 20 into is the operation for multiplication, that is star, 20 into 80 something went wrong. Expression syntax error. Oh, indentation. So we will see the error later. We will correct it and go ahead. Okay, this is the area 20 into 80. Actually Python is indent specific programs when you have the codes. So if you use one space extra, that will be counted, and it is very sensitive for the indents. So when you start the program, so previously I typed here 20, initially there was a space here, then I typed 20 into 80. Again it is giving the same error. So but without giving space initially, if you want to give space in between, it won't matter, but the initial space of each statement, that is going to be considered. So this is the reason for this error. So if you want to calculate 20 into 80, you can straight away give this one, but actually we have stored this value height and width here, w and h, that we can use. So we can just give w into h. So we are getting the same answer. That means these variables are representing the values which are all assigned initially. So we can assign same value to different variables, or we can use it as for initialization. So here we have one example. If you have a few number of variables x, y, z, and if you want to give the same value for all of them, then we can give x equal to y equal to z equal to etc equal to 0. Then if you try the value of x is 0, y is 0, and z is 0. So this way we can calculate the values. So remember, previously we have given the value for x as 1 before, then we reassigned as 9. Again now we have given 0. So now if you check the value of x, now at present the variable's value, variable x's value is 0. So this is the way we can use the variables. Actually for this interpreter mode of operations, variables are not that important. It's only for learning purpose. When we use programs, then the variables are important. Otherwise, when we close the system, when we exit from the system, these variables will be vanished from the memory. We will not be use it again when next time we are logging in with Python. So variables are the namespaces or the locations in the RAM, the memory, where we can store the values. Variable is a variable. That means the value of the variable can be changed at any time. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please click like, and please subscribe this video channel so that you will be getting the coming videos as well. So post your comments or doubts for this video in the video watch page. I will consider it. If you have some doubt, I am ready to clarify it. I will be responding to the comments. And as well, if you have some suggestion for me to improve the quality of presentations or the explanations or whatever, as far as possible, I will be try to improve the video. Thank you once again. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the videos. Subscribe the channel. Bye.